Hey Ambre, are you ready for a short French morning at the station?
Always ready, Louis. I love stations, so many little conversations. Today, our dialogue happens at a bus stop in France.
Right. Two people, Thomas and Marie, meet at the station early in the morning. Simple, everyday French. Perfect for A1 learners.
We'll hear greetings, a time question, someone checking when the bus arrives, and a quick goodbye. Short and very useful.
I promise some small surprises in the grammar. Nothing scary, just helpful little tricks.
Curious moment. One of the lines uses the impersonal il to ask the time. That confuses a lot of learners at first.
We will explain it all. But first,
Let's listen to the dialogue.
Dialogue.
Bonjour,
Bonjour. Il est quelle heure?
il est 8h10.
Merci. Le bus arrive vite?
Je pense, oui, dans 5 minutes.
Tu prends le bus pour le travail?
Oui, pour le travail.
Moi, je vais au marché.
Bonne journée.
Bonne journée.
let's look at the first sentence. Thomas greets Marie. Bonjour. This simply means hello or good morning in English. In French, bonjour is used until the evening. It does not change for a man or a woman. The pronunciation is the same for everyone. The word bonjour literally combines bon, which means good, and jour, which means day. But you can just think of it as the fixed greeting hello. In France, you will hear bonjour a lot at stations, shops, and on the street. It is polite and very common. Bonjour, madame. That means hello, ma'am, and is a polite variant used in shops or formal situations.
Now the second sentence. Marie asks the time. Bonjour, il est quelle heure? She says, hello, what time is it? In a casual spoken form. Grammatically, this is the informal question form. French can ask, il est quelle heure? Or the more formal, quelle heure est-il? Both mean the same. Here, il is impersonal. It does not refer to a person. Vocabulary note. The word heure means hour or o'clock. When you say quelle heure, you are asking which hour. In daily life in France, people often use this short form at bus stops or with friends because it's informal and quick, like asking the time on your phone but out loud. Il est midi? This example says, is it noon? Using the same question structure.
Third sentence, Thomas answers with the time.
Il est 8h10.
He says it is 8:10, meaning 8:10. Notice the structure. Il est plus hours, heure, plus minute. For 1 o'clock, you say une heure, because heure is feminine. But here, 8 heures uses the plural. Pronunciation of 8 and heure stays the same regardless of speaker gender. Small vocabulary. 8 is 8. 10 is 10. When minutes are less than 10, you still say them. For 8:05, you say 8h05. In France, people often say the time exactly like this in conversation. It's the normal, everyday way to tell time. Il est 7h05. This example means it is 7:05.
Fourth sentence. Marie says thank you and asks about the bus arrival. Merci, le bus arrive vite. She says, thanks, does the bus arrive quickly? Or more naturally, will the bus arrive soon? Grammar note. Le bus is masculine, so we use le. Arrive is the third person singular of arriver. Vite is an adverb meaning quickly, but here it functions like soon in casual speech. Vocabulary, merci, means thank you. Le bus is the bus. Arrive means arrives. At a French station, people often ask, il arrive bientôt? Or, ça arrive vite? Both are casual. Using vite is friendly and common. Le train arrive bientôt? This example means, does the train arrive soon?
Fifth sentence. Thomas answers with his opinion about the arrival time. Je pense oui, dans 5 minutes. He says, I think yes, in 5 minutes. Grammar point. Je pense means I think. The phrase dans 5 minutes means in 5 minutes. Pronunciation of je pense is the same for men and women. Verbs do not change pronunciation by speaker gender in spoken French. Vocabulary. Je pense is I think. Dans means in when talking about a time in the future. And 5 minutes is 5 minutes. Real life usage. People often use je pense for a polite guess. It softens the statement compared to a definite oui dans 5 minutes. Je pense non dans 10 minutes. This example says I think no in 10 minutes, showing how to change the minutes and the idea.
Sixth sentence. Marie asks if Thomas takes the bus to work. Tu prends le bus pour le travail? She asks, do you take the bus for work? Using the informal tu form. Grammar. Tu prends is the informal second person singular of the verb prendre, meaning to take. Le bus is the bus. Pour le travail means for work. The pronunciation of tu prends and vous prenez can sound similar, but tu versus vous is a difference in formality. Vocabulary. Prendre means to take. Travail means work. In France, you use tu with friends and people your age, and vous in formal situations. At a bus stop, both are possible, depending on familiarity. Vous prenez le bus pour le travail? This is the polite version. Do you take the bus for work? Using vous.
Seventh sentence. Thomas confirms simply. Oui, pour le travail. He says, yes, for work. It's short and natural. Grammar. Oui is yes. Pour le travail, repeats the purpose. For work. Nothing changes by gender here. Pronunciation is straightforward. Cultural note. People often give short answers like this in casual conversations at the station. No need to add full sentences. Oui, pour l'école. This example means yes, for school, using the same structure.
Eighth sentence. Marie says where she's going. Moi, je vais au marché. She says, me, I am going to the market. The moi at the start emphasizes that she, not him, is going to the market. Grammar. Je vais is the present tense of aller, meaning I go or I am going. Au is the contraction of alle, so au marché means to the market. Moi is a stressed pronoun used for emphasis and does not change the verb form. Vocabulary. Marché is market. In France, markets are common and many people say au marché in morning conversations. Moi, je vais au travail. This means me, I am going to work, using the same emphasis structure.
Ninth sentence. Thomas says goodbye. Bonne journée. He says, have a good day. Grammar note. Bonne is the feminine form of bon because it modifies journée, which is feminine. If you say bonjour, you use bon because jour is masculine. Pronunciation of bonne journée is the same for men and women. Cultural note. Bonne journée is a friendly, common way to end a conversation in the morning or daytime in France. Bonne soirée. This example means have a good evening, used later in the day.
10th sentence. Marie repeats the goodbye back. Bonne journée. She also says, have a good day, a polite closing. Grammar and culture. Repeating the same phrase is common and friendly. It's like shaking hands with words. Quick, memorable analogy. Learning this short dialogue is like learning how to order coffee. Once you know a few set phrases, many conversations become easy, like stepping stones.
Friendly debate moment. I think il est quelle heure feels more natural on the street, but Ambre prefers the formal quelle heure est-il for clarity.
I disagree a little. Both are fine. Use il est quelle heure with friends and quelle heure est-il in more polite or formal contexts.
Okay, fair. Now listen to the dialogue one more time and try to notice these little points.
Dialogue.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Il est quelle heure?
Il est 8h10.
Merci. Le bus arrive vite?
Je pense, oui, dans 5 minutes.
Tu prends le bus pour le travail?
Oui, pour le travail.
Moi, je vais au marché.
Bonne journée.
Bonne journée.
Quick review. We covered greetings, asking the time with il est quelle heure, time with il est 8h10, asking about arrival with le bus arrive vite, and short purpose phrases like pour le travail. Il bus en 3 au marché.
Also remember small grammar tips. O is alle combined. Je pense softens an answer. And bonne journée uses the feminine bonne because journée is feminine.
Listener moment. Someone asked if you must always say il est before the time. Good question. The short answer is you usually say il est when giving the time in a sentence like this.
To be clear, you can sometimes say just 8h10 on the schedule board. But in conversation, il est 8h10 is the normal phrase.
Another Imagine listener question. Can I use
Wait, Ambre, quick correction. We must not include stray characters. Back on track. Can I say
oops, ignore that. Yes, practice speaking aloud. Now, practice the quiz we made. It's a great way to lock in these phrases.
vrai ou faux? Bonjour is used only in the morning.
False. Bonjour is used throughout the daytime, typically from morning until the evening. It is not only for the very early morning.
Vrai ou faux? Il est 8h10 means it is 8:10.
True. It literally says it is 8 hours 10, which we say in English as it is 8:10.
Vrai ou faux? Le bus arrive vite always means the bus is fast.
False. In this context, vite is asking if the bus arrives soon or quickly, but often it means will it be here soon rather than describing the bus's speed.
Vrai ou faux? Moi je vais au marché emphasizes who is going.
True. Using moi at the start emphasizes that she specifically is going to the market.
Vrai ou faux? Bonne journée change forme when a man says it.
False. The phrase bonne journée does not change between speakers. The adjective bonne agrees with journée, which is feminine, not with the speaker's gender.
How do you say thank you in French?
You say merci. It's simple and used everywhere in France.
How do you say what time is it in the casual spoken form from the dialogue?
You say il est quelle heure? This is the informal spoken question. The formal version is quelle heure est-il?
How do you say I think yes in 5 minutes in French?
You say je pense oui dans 5 minutes. It is a polite guess and dans shows time in the future.
How do you say I am going to the market in French?
You say je vais au marché. If you want to emphasize yourself, you can say moi je vais au marché. O is the contraction of à le.
How do you say have a good day in French?
You say bonne journée. It's a warm closing used during the day.
Great! Now listen to the dialogue and repeat each line aloud. Repeating helps a lot.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
Bonjour. Il est quelle heure? Bonjour. Il est quelle heure?
Il est 8h10. Il est 8h10.
Merci. Le bus arrive vite? Merci. Le bus arrive vite?
Je pense oui, dans 5 minutes. Je pense oui, dans 5 minutes.
Tu prends le bus pour le travail? Tu prends le bus pour le travail?
Oui, pour le travail. Oui, pour le travail.
Moi, je vais au marché. Moi, je vais au marché.
Bonne journée. Bonne journée.
Bonne journée. Bonne journée.
First takeaway. Use il est plus de time to tell the hour and minutes. For example, il est 8h10.
Second takeaway. Il est quelle heure is a casual, very common way to ask the time. Remember the impersonal il.
Third takeaway. Short polite phrases like merci and bonne journée are used all the time in French daily life.
If you liked this episode, please subscribe to the show and leave a review. It helps other learners find us.
And if this lesson helped you, tell a friend or share one of the short French phrases you learned today.
Thanks for studying with us. Practice those lines at the bus stop or at home.
Au revoir et bonne pratique. Have a wonderful day and keep speaking French.